What your friend's doing looks harder.
If you want, I can send it to you. Yeah, the guy's finger.
How's he doing it? Just spinning his... He's using his fingers. What he does with his fingers, isn't it?
I remember it was just us.
Yeah, what he does with his fingers like this.
Now they ignite it up.